17 for sure. We can re-rock it right now, I'm being real straight. Drop this shit in the pot and make it jump back. Man, the white boy hit the road and get 30 of them bitches. 30 of them things stuffed in our damn flow. That's about the time when I was 17 for sure. When nobody expect me to do it like